Welcome to SWAMY'S Academy. Today we learn about the basic concepts about trigonometry. So mainly in trigonometry, three functions are there. That is, one is sin theta, another one is cos theta, another one is tan theta. There are three trigonometry functions. One is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Theta represent angle. So in the basic concept of trigonometry and application of trigonometry, we will apply only right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, 90-degree opposite is called hypotenuse. 90-degree opposite is called here hypotenuse. These two angles will be changes. Okay, now, for example, if we take a triangle ABC, if B is 90 degree, if we consider angle A, this BC will call as an opposite side. AB is called as a adjacent side. Once again, I repeat, in the triangle will apply right angle triangle only. At B, if we take out here 90 degree, so if you consider angle A, this will call as a opposite side, another will call as a adjacent side, 90-degree opposite will call as a hypotenuse. Now when it comes to the triangle in the three trigonometry ratios here, sin and cos and tan, we have basic fundamentals concepts here. What we mean by sin means here, opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta formula here, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta formula, that is nothing but we can take as a sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Now here opposite side by hypotenuse and adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here both the hypotenuse cancel it will be. So what we get means here opposite side by adjacent side. These are our three trigonometry functions here. If we consider angle A, then what we get means here, now here opposite side. With respect to angle A, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So we'll get here BC by AC. Next, in the same way, cos theta with respect to angle A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now adjacent side is here AB, hypotenuse is AC. So what we get means here AB by AC. Next, when it comes to the tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. So what we get means here BC by AB. Remaining three trigonometry functions are there, that is cosecant, secant and cot. Now reciprocal of these are all will get that. Now sin reciprocal is called here cosecant theta. What is our sin means here? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosecant means it will be reciprocal. What will get done means here hypotenuse by opposite side. At the same time, cos theta, reciprocal will get. What is that? Reciprocal of cos theta means a secant theta. Cos theta adjacent by side by hypotenuse, then secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next, in the same way, tan reciprocal will call as a cot. Cot formula, here opposite side by adjacent side, here adjacent side by opposite side. Now here BC by AC for sin theta, the cosecant theta what we get means here AC by BC. Next, cos AB by AC, here secant what will get means here AC by AB. Next, tan BC by AB means here cot will get here AB by BC. These are three trigonometrics basic functions with that reciprocals. So here BC by AC, here cosecant what you get means here AC by BC.